Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get goggles in Roblox, and which is a UGC item. We have to go to first of all in marketplace. Just go to in marketplace, and once you are in the marketplace, you have to go to in sort and click on recent security. This and once you create recent security, now you have to go to in price and set zero as maximum. So you will get all the free items by adding zero as maximum. Click on go, and now you will see this goggles, violet, camo, tactical goggles. Just click on it. Now, so if you want to get this violet camo tactical goggles, then you have to this item is earnable. So you have to play this game. Right click on it. So this game is called the King of the Hill. You have to play this game to earn this item. So you have to see how can you get this item in this game. So I hope you get it the idea. So this item is earnable in this game. It means you have to perform some task in this game to get this item for free. So that's how you can get it. So hope you like it. And if I'll show you if you want to make me a tutorial, just let me in the comment section. I'll try to show you how to get this item for free. But this clearly mentioned here, it is earnable in this game, so you can try for yourself. So if you can't, then I'll help you out. Just let me in the comment section. Till then.